We make the very little demonstration for you. Okay? Remember near the cows when I tell you mozzarella and ricotta. Wild name. The old people of this area don't use a machine, only by hand, work the cheese. Okay? We call mozzarella because when we work by hand, the process of cut off in Italian means mozzare. Okay? Cut off means mozzare, and we cut off by hand. When I work the cheese by hand, I make the balls. This process means cut off, mozzare. Ricotta cheese. Remember ricotta. Ricotta means recook. Cook twice. I'm reballing the liquid of mozzarella, and we have last part of cheese. But we have two kinds of ricotta. We call the first part in this area fiore di ricotta. Ricotta flowers, the first part. The second part is ricotta. Ricotta flowers is very soft. Okay, now start. I take the milk of this morning. I boiling and pasteurize. When the milk is cold, I using the rennet. And I wait 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And we have the curds, cheese. I boiling the salt in water and I add and mix. And later I work by hand. Only by hand. We don't use a machine. Look. Mozzarella. You know mozzarella?
Yes.
But you know the buffalo mozzarella. Buffalo mozzarella and cow mozzarella is two different products. In this area we don't have the buffalo, only the cows. Buffalo mozzarella is very soft, because inside there is mixed water and milk. Okay? The cow product is a little strong. Okay? Two different looks. It's your mozzarella. Okay? Quindi diventa un antipasto. Lux.
Oh my goodness.
For 1 kilo, I think is 2.2 of mozzarella. I'm using 20 liters of milk. Why? No chemical inside, no preservative inside. When you buy mozzarella in the store, you eat in 2-3 days in fridge. When you eat this, you eat in max 1 day because there is no chemical inside. Okay. Okay. Now we work by hand. Looks. And now I'm using the cold waters. close and cut off. Mozzarella. Mozzarella. When you make a photo, you call cheese. Peppino, devi mandare una mano. Is milk. Last one. Babies. Okay. Now I have finished mozzarella. Now we make ricotta. Ricotta means recook. I reboiling this liquid. I put the salt, start the fire for 10 minutes, and we have more ricotta. Now it's a very little demonstration. We have a little more. I have a little spoon. Okay? Ricotta. I have finished.